A federal judge now weighing whether or not to block Iowa's new immigration law.
Attorneys argued their case for and against it in a courtroom in Des Moines earlier today. Tara Konieczny is in Dubuque now with the very latest on the case. Tara.
Yeah, the Department of Justice as well as the ACLU of Iowa have filed suits against this immigration law. Today, the state argued that the federal government sets standards for immigration policy, but that states have the right to enforce those standards. It also argues that the law is needed to keep Iowans safe. The Department of Justice says the law is unconstitutional. They're asking for a permanent injunction, arguing that the federal government is the only one that can enforce immigration policies. After the hearing concluded, the Iowa Migrant Movement for Justice commented on why they want to stop Senate File 2340.
But speaking for Iowans, I can say that we all want an immigration system that works, that's orderly, and that is humane. But this law, Senate File 2340, is not that. In fact, it does just the opposite. It makes an already problematic immigration system even worse.
After the hearing, the deputy legal director with the American Immigration Council explained why the state of Iowa can't enforce immigration law.
If it were true that this law were just enforcing federal standards, the state can't do that. The responsibility for enforcing federal immigration standards belongs solely to the federal government.
Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird today released a statement in defense of the law. She says, quote, "Since Biden refuses to enforce our immigration laws, Iowa is doing the job for him. Biden's open borders have not only caused record illegal immigration, but they have opened the door for drug cartels, human traffickers, and suspected terrorists to enter our country. Today, we made the case in court defending Iowa's law that prohibits illegal reentry and keeps our community safe. If Biden invested half as much energy into securing our borders as he does suing states like Iowa, we would all be better off," end quote. And they expect to hear a decision on this law before the law goes into effect on July 1st. For now, live in Dubuque, Tara Konieczny, News 7 KWWL.
All right, Tara, thanks for the update.